Hey beauties, it's Daisy. I'm back with another video. Today we are doing a straight wig install with no baby hairs, so make sure you stay tuned. Get right into it. Here is the packaging I received from Luvmehair and all the goodies that it came with. There was like some clips, a cute little mirror. I love this. You know, you can put that in your bag. Of course, a little wig scarf. And we have this baby hair brush. So I love that. Here's the wig straight out the packaging. It's super soft. The hair has a nice shine to it, but it's not like too silky. And it comes pre-plucked, which is great. But of course, you guys know I plucked it off camera so it can match my hairline perfectly. But I'm going to show you guys how I bleached the knots first. I did spray some Gots to Be wig spray on here first, so I can get all the flyaways out of the way, and then I don't want to over bleach the front part of the wig. And here are the products that I'm using, and here is me bleaching the knots. So here's the wig, how it looks after I plucked it and everything. And now I'm showing you guys the wig after I washed it again, because I started to install this wig, but I wanted to pluck it a little bit more before I did the final install. So this is how we're looking. And just like that, we are finished. One thing I have to say about Luvmehair, their lace is always A1. Like, you can't even tell that this is a wig. Tell me, wig where? Wig where? I will wait. But it looks super natural. I love the way that this came out because I actually started wearing my hair like this to work because you really don't want to have too much baby hairs. You don't want to scare the white folks at work. So we're just going to keep it cute and classy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Let me know what other videos you would like to see from me. I know I've been MIA a little bit, but I'm back and better than ever, okay? So make sure you guys stay tuned. I'm having a whole bunch of videos coming. And thanks to LUVME again for this hair. And until my next one. Later.